This isn't over yet. There's something I've missed. Some clue I've overlooked. Some motive. And that motive is... Think! Somebody wants these two tribes to destroy each other. There must be something valuable in this equation. Perhaps we should meditate upon it, Spike. For it is said that when seeking answers, one must quiet the soul in order to hear them. What is it the Wachatis possess that is of great value to other men, besides the princess with the amazing rack? All righty then.
Omni Padmeum, Omni Padmeum, Omni Pad. Oh, Ace, you're back.
You can dispense with the smallpox, all-knowing one. I'm here on business, and time is of the essence.
Very well. What answer do you seek?
I need to know what it is the Wachatis possess that is of great value to civilized man.
The medallion will lead you to the answer. You do still have the medallion, don't you?
Medallion? Why, surely. I left it back, with my body.
Your aura is weakening.
Okay, I threw it in the cave! What do you want from me? What are you, Mr. Perfect? You want to know where it is? It's probably lying in a big pile of